Alright, hey, I'm just in my garage since it's got like 10 inches of snow or so. You're gonna have to bear with me. I might make another one in some time when we actually have more wood, but all I have is some of this wood that I've already split. I guess it's like kind of like greasewood or something. Just gonna baton with my gator too and my Ontario. Might make a video in the future getting a Spyderco tenacious, which I'm excited about, and should be here in 2 to 4 days. I'm getting an order of county calm stuff, just as a little, getting a OD green paracord T-tool to tighten my knives, just because it's easier than having to use a multi-tool thing I have. Cord ends, I'm getting a thing of those. I'll make a video of my county calm order, and I'm getting a OD green handled fire steel. So can't wait for those orders to come in, but I don't know if I'll have time to show it, but I just did like a feather stick kind of thing on here, so we'll do a few with the gator first. I have to bear with me. Kind of small wood. It's probably gonna suck. So these would be the ideal for starting a fire, like that's really good. And then you can get like these pieces, and you want them corners, like a triangle burns better. Do one more with this. I'll do the Ontario. That's good toothpicks. I'll just show you some. This knife I haven't really used other than right now. Pretty good cutting. Hope to make an outdoor, like when I actually can go outdoors, but anyway, here's the Gerber, pretty good since it's a lockback. Now, got some debris on the Ontario. Now this one's pretty good. If you saw the background image I have, I actually did the feather sticks with this and the gator, so put the orange lanyards on both so I can see them better. Full flat ground blade works really good for this type of task. And this has got a really strong lock, so it's fun. If you check out Not Fancy's video, he's batoning some wood with the same knife. Let me just cut off these feather sticks. That's a big, nice chunk. Probably last piece here. Now this stuff would be used for kindling. I have gone in like really light snow, like just like you can still see the grass peeking out, and that's still hard to start fires in. Even though it's not a lot of snow, but everything's still wet. And what I did was I took one of these type sticks out, and I split it like this, and that's how I got my fire started. And it works really good. I'm not sure if they're like greasewood or whichever that is, which is like pine with resin in it. I think they're just not exactly sure what they are. But if you wanted to get something like this, greasewood would be probably the same thing. Probably gonna make a video in the spring or so, or maybe if it's not so cold, because right now it's below 0, so I'm not going out. It's too cold. But I'll probably make a video showing how to start a fire with this. So stay tuned.